All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here on a Thursday, and going to be the first watch unboxing of 2019, and as the title suggests, it is going to be the first Seiko of 2019. Now, I'm not really sure how many more watches will be coming in between now and spring, to be honest with you guys. I'm kind of saving up for maybe a little bit of another grail here down the road, so this is probably going to be the last watch purchase. There'll be plenty of watch shows on the channel, so definitely tune in and watch, but let's go ahead and pop this one open. I think this is going to be one you guys will be excited to look at. Now, I have to admit, this is something I'm very excited to look at, and if you watched my last, boy, this tape is really in there. If you watched my last unboxing video, I talked about one of these watches, and I said that I probably wasn't going to get one because of certain elements of the watch, and yeah, well, I did it. I went ahead and purchased one, mainly because I feel like that if you're going to be into Seikos like I am, this watch is definitely one you really need to check out. So, okay, here we go. Now, just let you guys see here on the top. Let me make sure there's nothing personal here. No, cool. I got a $20 gift certificate shopping in Japan, and some more interesting stuff from them, kind of letting me know probably about the import information or the customs information and whatnot, getting this out of Japan, and some of their interesting paperwork and Japanese innovation. So I'll set that aside, and let's go ahead and get in the box and take a look at what we have here. So I'm going to move this aside, and we're going to go ahead and get the paper out of here. And what do you guys see there? You see your standard Seiko box. So should be able to quickly unwrap this. Now, as usual, I'm not going to do a review of this watch today. We're going to take a look at it. Just a quick look, see. I'll get it sized up and wear it for probably a week or two, and then we'll do a full-blown review of the watch. So, just typical outside Seiko box. And on the inside, you have your Seiko box and the paperwork that's going to come with it. I'm sure there's a warranty card inside. This is probably going to be a Japan-only warranty watch, though. Most likely this is a JDM piece. Okay, guys, let's pop this open and see what you think. And yeah, there you go. Aaron did it. He picked himself up a Sumo. So yeah, just like I said, when I picked up the SBDC 053 here recently, I said I probably wasn't going to do a Sumo just because I just didn't feel like the size was right for me. But, I went looking at them, and unfortunately, I fell in love with this watch. This is the green Sumo. Now, this said limited edition, but I don't think that this is necessarily a limited edition watch. It kept saying that, but let's see what the paperwork says there. Yeah, nothing there about it being limited edition. And I'll eventually in the review, we'll take a look at the case back, but I'm not sure. I think this is just a Japan maybe only model. I'm not quite sure on it, but this is the latest, or one of the latest green samurais, or Sumo, excuse me guys, Sumo, not samurai. And yeah, I wanted to try it out. I wanted to see what it looked like. So let me get some of the plastic off, and we'll try to take a closer look at this. I might even pull that plastic off the back because I do want to read the back. So just a second here, guys. Okay, so I usually save the wrist shot for the full video, but man, I couldn't help it. I want to try this on the wrist. So I love the color. I'm blown away by the color, and I really need to kind of sit down with this watch by myself and take a little bit of time to check it out because it's a really beautiful watch. A Sumo is one of those watches that I think if you're in the Seiko collecting, you kind of at some point need to check one out. You kind of need to put one on the wrist and see what it feels like. Now, a lot of people say it's too big in the lug to lug. I know these are probably close to 53 millimeters lug to lug. But, it's in what you like to wear. And sometimes I do like wearing a bigger watch. I just have to admit that. I'm not, I wear 40s. I wear under 40 millimeter. But a lot of times I want to wear something big and bold. And this definitely fits this 6R15. So movement I really love and appreciate. Now, a friend of mine locally here, he's really good at helping adjust these pin and collar system bands. I absolutely hate trying to do it myself. I'm not really good at it, I'll be honest with you. I've messed up a couple straps trying to do that. So going to meet him tomorrow and have him help me do that, or either tomorrow or over the weekend. Also, I've ordered a Crafter Blue strap for this, so we'll do a review of the Crafter Blue strap also and look at it here on the new green Sumo. The watch that I've added to the collection. I did look at the back, guys. There is nothing on here saying limited edition. Now, when I bought it, they said limited edition, but I do not believe these are limited. I do believe they are Japan only. It does say made in Japan on the back, so this is Japan watch. So they're Japan market only is from what I understand. But other than that, we'll get into it more in the full review of the new green Sumo I've brought here into the channel. All right, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.